Hello, my name is Taylor from VisiPay, and today I'm going to show you how to make a discount and how to apply that discount into a transaction. So first we're going to begin by making the discount, so we'll go into the Discounts app here. I'm going to hit the plus button on the bottom right to create a new discount, and we'll just call this one Save. And I'm going to save the save discount, but I'm going to add a percentage to, we'll go 25%. So I'm going to hit save now. So now we're going to go to a transaction, and we will do that at the register right here. So I'm just going to ring in like shrimp, ceviche, and we'll hit these three little buttons right here, and it'll pull up add order discount. So that's where we're going to go. And as you can see, my save discount, which is 25% off, is right there. So we'll click that, and it does the math automatically. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.